Dayton Hospital in the level 1 area. Surprisingly, I've missed this. In this quick video, I'll be showing you the mystical crate as well as the weapon and armor crates. Let's go ahead and do it. Zooming in here, first of all, we'll be heading across to this location just south of the actual icon itself, where we should find right over here by the base of the statue, a crate that turns out to be a morphic crate. You'll take a bit of damage from this, but besides that, around the back side of the statue, it's getting difficult to see now that it's raining and that it's dark, you'll find the gear crate around the back. Just check the map. This is where I am. Then we'll be heading just north towards the actual hospital building, where you'll need to pay close attention as things get a bit confusing. This is quite a surprising challenge for one's own. In this main hospital building here, you'll want to enter through these left doors over here, exactly where I am at the southwest side. When you come in here, you'll want to head straight up the staircase here. Then we'll be continuing left, so down here, all the way to the end of this passage. You can hit N for a flashlight. I'll do that just for better vision. And in here, we'll need to then head through this section here, all the way through. You'll find a staircase. Ignore this. Head all the way to the exit here. That takes us onto the balcony. Walk across the balcony all the way to the very end. And in here, we'll find the gear crate. Very confusing, especially for a tier 1. Then, to get the mysterious treasure, we'll need to head onto the roof here. So we'll head back into the hospital, head up the staircase, and from here, coming straight across from the staircase, you'll find this door here that takes us through past a crashed helicopter, which we'll see a reused version of this in a later mission. You'll find this section here. We'll then head up one more floor, all the way to the roof, and from here, you'll find the mystic crate just to your right. So picking this up, this is the loot that we got from it. Pretty good. Now, if you're interested in the puzzle just sitting outside of this for some free loot, head to the fork in the road just to the east of here, where we're already in the correct place to get the solution to this puzzle. You'll see just up the hill there's a broken billboard, and if we position ourselves just right, investigate here, bam, we finish the puzzle, and that's it. We get this as a reward. Pretty cool. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I will not forget the rift anchor on my way out. I'll see you all next time. Ciao.